Did you know Google will let you use AI to produce whole videos to use with your class? It's a part of Google Vids, which is their free video editing software, which is also worth a look anyway. But there's now an AI component to it, which lets you create videos just from a prompt. Here's how you do it. I've gone to Google Vids, so just vids.google.com, or just click on the waffle and search Google Vids. You'll find it just there. There's Vids. When you're in there, start a new video. And then you can just go straight in here with VO 3.1, which will create clips, or you can go to Storyboard, which will generate an entire video for you with stock footage. I'm going to go for that one. Let's describe it in a few sentences. So I'm going to just go and paste in my prompt. I'm going to create a video about digestion for primary school children, describe in simple terms, use British spellings, make it suitable for 9 to 10, and click next. It'll then produce me an outline of the video with an introduction, some different bits here, video, some text. At any of this point, I can click on here and I can edit it if I want to. I can change the topic if I'm not happy with how it looks, or I don't like that kind of outline. You can add scenes, or you can delete scenes as well if you want to. Let's click next to see what we get. What kind of style do we want? Let's go with... It'll then show me how that looks. Yeah, that kind of looks okay in terms of a sample of what that format will be. Let's create the draft video. It'll then take some time to process that. I'll just pause recording while it does that. And there we go. So it's created my video for me. I have a whole load of scenes with background music, with voiceovers. So if I just play a little clip.
Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you eat it? Get ready to explore the incredible journey of digestion. Every time you eat a yummy snack or a healthy meal, your body starts an amazing process called digestion. Let's find out how it works. Digestion is how your body breaks down food.
And that's it. So it's created it all for me. All these slides are editable. So if there's any words on here you think don't quite like that, if you think the way it's bullet pointed isn't quite right, if some language isn't quite right, you can change that. If you want to change the voiceovers, you can click on the voice down the bottom here, click on the icon there to generate a voiceover. This is where the voiceover is reading out, so you can change the text if you want to. You can also change the voice as well. So if you click on here,
your teeth do the mechanical part, chewing and grinding food.
If you don't like that voice, you can click on change and you can choose from a whole lot of different voices. You can listen to each one and see which one you like. Let's try.
The ocean breeze is incredibly refreshing.
Select that one, and then we can update voiceover and it'll replace it for you if you want to. If you want to see all scenes together, then you can see them all together, and you can change the voiceover for the entire thing should you wish. Just click on change, do that. If you want to change the music, then if you go into stock, there's stock and web here, and there'll be various things, and you can go into music and you can find a different track if you want to, and just drag that down here, put it on there if you want to. It's really easy to produce videos which you can use with a class. If you want to share these online, one thing you can do is click up here where it says share, and if you go down here you can copy the link to that video, you can export it to your Google Drive, but you can actually go export to YouTube, and that will send it straight to your YouTube account. If you logged in on the same account, put it straight onto your YouTube channel. So nice and easy. Go and check it out. It's called Google Vids. It's free as part of Google Workspace. So have a look on your Google Workspace, see if it's there. I've done a longer video looking at all of Google Vids, which you can find on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.